Greetings, folks. William Caleb back at you with another video. You know, oftentimes, small businesses nowadays are just falling in a rut. Out of the ones who do actually manage to get started, they're going to eventually need some more capital. They may have to need some working funds. They may have to buy some new equipment. They may have a slow period where they have to pay employees, but the revenue is not coming in right. I mean, there's so many reasons for working capital. And when they go to a bank, well, if they're already in kind of a bind and in a rut, banks are very reluctant to give them the funds that they need, especially if they've already gotten, say, a loan from some of these banks. They're just reluctant to continue funding them, especially if they haven't already fulfilled the obligations of the prior loans, the previous loans, right? But I'm here to let you know there is alternative capital funding, and you can get it fast. All you got to do is go to getfunded.wcrpro.life, and you're going to see a special company that just celebrated 8 years in business who can give you the capital funding that your business needs. And don't worry about what type of interest rate or all of that stuff, because these guys are more concerned with revenue. They look at the average consistent revenue that you produce over so many months. And we're not talking about like 18, 24 months, a million months here. We're talking about just a few months they're going to look at. And you'll get an approval within 24 hours. You'll know. And you can get funded as soon as that same day or even the next day. This is the real deal. I mean, like I just said, they've been celebrating 8 years of business. They've been funding people all this time. Even solopreneurs and freelancers are getting capital funding from these guys. You want to go right now to getfunded.wcrpro.life. Apply today. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.